Third is the Simon normative decision making model. In that some stages are there, three stages are there. First is the intelligence. Intelligence deals with the problem identification and the data collection on the problem. Design deals with the generation of alternative solution to the problem at hand. Third is a choice is the selecting the best solution from amongst the alternative solution using some criteria. Then fourth is a clinical decision making informative processing model that uses a scientific hypothetic deductive quantitative approach. Clinical decision model that use hypothetical detective and pattern recognition. Then decision making process, and there is some process are there. First is the identification of the problem. According to Massey, a good decision depends on identification of right problem. Second is the search for alternative. After information collection, the decision making tries to identify the possible alternatives to get best result. Third is the evaluation of alternative. Once identify the available alternative, evaluate the alternative to select best alternative to solve problem. Choices of alternative. The evaluation of alternative gives a clear picture that how much they are contributing towards objective. After all the alternatives they evaluate properly, manager has to be selected the best alternative that contributing more towards the objective. Implement the decision. Implement the action from the selected alternatives. Implementation should be done by having proper allocation of resources. After that, result. After implementation of decision into action, evaluate the result wherever objective are achieved or not. Follow up. Manager should take a follow up for actual performance. Manager should check that decisions should solve the problem. Manager should check the progress whether objectives are achieved or not. Then now we study the decision making process. The next is the techniques of decision making. First is a Delphi technique. Delphi techniques was developed by Olf Halmer and the Norman Dolke. Delphi technique thought is an expert brainstorm. Delphi technique is the planning tool where is the expert are taking decision and generate the new thought and ideas to solve the problem. Then brainstorming, normal group technique. These are three techniques are there.